A tornado warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m. for East Central Geary and southwestern Waubonsee counties. At 8 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Vollen, moving north at 20 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement. Confirmed tornado heading toward Vollen. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Vollen. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially a deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Shawnee County, northern Waubonsee County, southeastern Pottawatomie County in northeastern Kansas, southwestern Jackson County in northeastern Kansas, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles northeast of Texaco, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rossville, Alma, St. Mary's, Maple Hill, McFarland, Texaco, Delia, and Willard. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 327 and 344. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. for northeastern and east central Kansas. The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Riley County in northeastern Kansas, northwestern Waubonsee County, until 8:30 p.m. At 8:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Vollen, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Alma, McFarland, and Vollen. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 320 and 330. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Topeka